Hello everyone, myself Pranjali from Joanna Technologies. I'm going to tell you about the steps for self-nomination for MIE Expert 2018-19. And this is a small presentation, or you can say this is a tutorial through which you can go through the steps and you can nominate yourself for the MIE Expert, right? And under new processes, we need to self-nominate by visiting the link, and the link is already given over here, that is aka.ms/MIE Expert, right? It will land you, if you will visit this page, it will land you to the Microsoft Innovative Educator Experts page, which is onto the educator community, right? And if you will scroll down the page, but yes, before that you need to log in through your ID and password on this community. If you scroll down the page, you will see about the MIE Expert program, what is it all about, right? And how you can nominate yourself and you can get the opportunities, right, which is provided by Microsoft only. How to join the program, the instructions are already given over here, right? And once you nominate yourself, please share the list with me, as official list will be posted by Microsoft in the month of August only, right? So there are basically 3 steps. First steps is that you need to have an account on Microsoft Educator community and you need to complete your profile, right? For making a profile on Educator community, you should have your Outlook account or you should have your live ID, right? Then you can join this community. Step number 2 is you need to earn 1000 points to become a certified MIE, that is Microsoft Innovative Educator. Once you are a certified MIE, then you are eligible to nominate yourself for the MIE Expert, right? And the third step is to create a 2 minutes of video for or sway presentation, right? And there are 4 questions they are asking you, that why do you consider yourself to be a Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert, and describe how you have incorporated Microsoft technologies in innovative ways in your classroom, right? And how you impacted the learning and growth of your colleagues, right? And if you will become an MIE expert, how do you hope it will impact your current role in the next 2 months, right? So you can see there are so many questions. So what you can do, you can just go to the www.sway.com, right? And then you can create a document of MS Word and you can use that document for creating your sway presentation, because when you will fill your form, it will ask you to create a sway presentation, and if it is already created, then it is easy for you also to you just need to copy and paste the link over there in that form. Right. Now, once you have completed these tasks, you will be ready to fill out the self-nomination form. Now, if I clicked on aka.ms/MIE nomination, it will land you to the another page, right? And which will ask you to nominate yourself as an MIE. And if you will go through the page, you can see MIE Expert nomination is already here, right? And it is clearly mentioned that announcement of global MIE experts happens once per year in August. So you have time, you have enough time to nominate yourself, right, for the MIE. And Microsoft, you can nominate Microsoft schools also and for the showcase schools also, right? And you need to just go through the page and you need to click on Start Here button. Once you clicked on Start Here button, it will ask you to log in through your email address and password which you are using for Microsoft Educator community. Once you logged in here, suppose you forgot your password and you don't know your password, so you can just reset your password by clicking here, right? So it will redirected you to the another page. It will shoot you a mail. You need to check your mail and you can change your password accordingly. Right. Now, if I'll write down my email ID and password over here and I'll just click on submit button, it will land me on another page, which is actually your next page on Microsoft Educator community. It will ask you to write down your email address and password and confirm password. Again, you need to click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, this is the self-nomination hub page, wherein you can just click on add self-nomination button, right? There is a button called as add self-nomination, so you can just click on it and you will be forwarded to the next page, which will ask you again that if you are if you want to nominate yourself for the MIE experts, then you can just click select this radio button and click on continue button, right? So it will again land you to the another page which will ask you to update your information, right, which is your personal information, that is your first name and last name, about your school name, about your institute website, right, and your address also. Right. So once you go through with that page, you again need to click on continue button to go to the another page, and this is the self nomination form, and which will ask you to provide your public profile on the Microsoft Educator community, right? And this profile you can get it through your profile only. You need to click on your profile, right, image on Educator community, and you need to select edit profile from that page. As soon as you click on edit profile, there is public profile already available. You need to copy that area and you need to paste it over here. Now you need to paste your Facebook, your school's Facebook profile, if it is any, right? You need to write down your Twitter's account also, Twitter profile, and you need to write down your school leader's LinkedIn profile. You can paste your profile also over here. You need to write down now Office 365 being deployed in your school or not. So there are some radio buttons. You need to choose those radio buttons whether your school is using Microsoft Teams or not, right? So there are n number of questions available here, and you can just go through one by one, and if it is no, right, put no, and if it is yes, you can just put yes, right? So as soon as there are so many questions, you need to go through one by one, and at last it will ask you whether your students are using OneNote or not, whether your students are using OneNote class notebooks or not, right? Or what kind of devices you are using in your school premises. Do you and your students use Minecraft Education Edition? And the most important thing is whether you have qualified any Microsoft certification exams or not, right? Which is your Microsoft Certified Educator, which you will receive through 21st Century Skills course, which is already available in Educator community. So I'll guide you how to complete this course and how to go for this exam. And other than this exam, if you are a MOS specialist, or if you are an MTA, or if you are an MCP, that is Microsoft Certified Professional, then you can choose these options. Otherwise you can skip it. And obviously for the MIE Expert nomination, you need to have certified MI badge, and you need to have 1000 points in your profile. Then only you can nominate yourself for the MIE Expert, right? And the last question is you need to create a video or sway, which I already mentioned, that you just prepare a sway presentation and you can copy that link, so you can paste it here, right? And you can just click on the continue button, right? And as soon as you click on continue button, it will land you to another page which will show you that yes, you have self-nominated yourself for MIE Experts, right? And it is already mentioned that self-nomination status is completed and you are new on this website. So this is the last step, right? And once you have nominated yourself, you can just click on the sign out button, which is already mentioned over here. And this is the final steps. Once you go through with all these steps, you please share your profile with me. So request you to complete the same at the earliest and confirm us the same. Right. So now for any query, if you have, you can reach out to me on pranjali@juanatech.com, and my number is 9999153564. Right. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.